Hey guys, welcome. This is Deepika from MyTutorialRack.com, and in this video we are going to talk about how to master the job hunting. If you are a fresh graduate and you're looking to land your first dream job in the world of Salesforce, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 6 tips that are going to help you to get multiple offers in Salesforce. So the number one tip that I have is you have to build a strong foundation in Salesforce. So if you are looking to become a Salesforce admin or a developer or a solution architect, whatever it is, you have to acquire more knowledge in the world of Salesforce. And there are a lot of places that you can grab this knowledge. The number one place I will recommend you is Trailhead Community. It has several different badges. You should go ahead and check out that website to kind of acquire more knowledge. Second place that you can go is you can take a look at MyTutorialRack. We do offer a lot of courses related to Salesforce, helping you with Salesforce admin certification or developer certification or Experience Cloud certification, all of these things. And we do have a monthly trial where you get access to all the Salesforce courses. So do check out our link in the description here. The next important thing is showcasing your skills. So when it comes to building your resume, make sure you are putting all your projects in there. You are highlighting all the important things that you have done in the world of Salesforce. The third important thing is networking. This is the most important thing if you are looking to land your dream job in Salesforce. You should connect with other people who are working in Salesforce, network with them. There are a lot of events that happen. Try to join those events, try to go on those meetups related to Salesforce. So if you have a meetup going on around in your area, I will definitely recommend you to check out those meetups, meet the people who are working currently in Salesforce, and they will also be sharing with you any opportunities that are coming their way, and you might apply for those opportunities. The number 4 thing is you have to prepare for interviews. So if you have an interview scheduled, just do not go blindly. You should go ahead and prepare for your interview. Try to look for interview questions that people are asking, or if you just Google Salesforce interview questions, try to go through those question answers. Try to prepare yourself for the next interview. You might not land the very first interview you get, but if you keep working hard and prepare for your interviews, you will definitely going to get your dream job. The next very important tip is you have to apply for multiple positions at different places. So do not just go ahead and apply a couple of places and wait for them to interview you. The interviewing is a long process. Companies take a long time to get through the whole process. They will have multiple rounds of interviews sometimes, so it might take a long time. So make sure you do apply to wide variety of opportunities, and also go ahead and apply for small to medium to large companies, whatever it is, but you have to apply for more than 1 or 2 opportunities. The next important thing, if you are looking to get that hike in a salary, then I will tell you to negotiate. So when you have multiple offers in hand, you have the power to negotiate. And the most important thing is you can do negotiation before you accept the offer letter. Once you have accepted the offer letter, you are at the mercy of your employers when they are going to give you the next raise. So negotiation is the most important thing. And before you go ahead and sign your offer letter, make sure everything that is listed on your offer letter is what you want. The base salary is something that you have to pay attention to, because on top of it, you should ask for other benefits, your joining bonus, your yearly bonus, what your company is offering, what other benefits do they offer. These are some of the tips that will help you to land your dream job. The number 1 tip is to acquire more and more knowledge, get more and more certifications. The third important thing is networking. You have to network with people, help people around in your community, answer questions if they are related to Salesforce on different forums, and then apply for multiple positions, prepare for interview, and last but not the least is negotiation. So these are some of the tips, and if you like to watch similar videos in the future related to Salesforce, Do subscribe to the channel and also check out our monthly subscription on MyTutorialRack website, which will give you access to all the Salesforce related courses. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Take care.